Everything seems to be moving to the internet these days, and if your Bachelor program is one of those things, you should check out these programs. The U.S. News & World Report put up the latest college rankings, and for the second year in a row, aviation-focused school Embry-Riddle Aeronautic University landed at number 1. Looking for something different? Then check out Temple University, which came in at number 2, and/or University of Oklahoma, which grabbed the number 3 spot. And if you're looking for a degree that's more specialized than a bachelor's, we've got you covered. The list also ranked the best online criminal justice programs, with Sam Houston University taking top billing. Online education programs, with the University of Florida grabbing first place. Top online engineering programs, with California sweeping that category. Online nursing programs, with St. Xavier University in the lead. And University of Southern California pulling in another top rank with their online computer information technology programs. Don't worry, they didn't forget about the MBAs. Temple University landed the number 1 spot for the 3rd year in a row, with the top non-MBA business program going to Indiana. I'm Emily Drooby for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.